Hey YouTube, I'm hoping you're having a great Monday so far. I hope you're having a great start to your week. Why did I just play that music box? Why did I just play Deck the Halls? Well, in this video, I very quickly want to talk about an upcoming theme of the channel, and that is mechanical computing. A music box, in essence, is a mechanical computer. It's got a power source, my hand rotating this little crank on the right. It has memory. It has this little piece of metal that's been milled, perhaps CNC milled, with a number of different pins indicating different notes to be played. And it has a processor, the interface between this memory and another piece of metal that's been very finely carved at the appropriate ratios, the appropriate lengths to play different notes. Indeed, the processor is the input-output device. Maybe I'm completely wrong, maybe this is a really stupid analogy and all of you are thinking, why should I subscribe to this dum-dum's channel? But I think this is really interesting. The idea that we can do computing not just with electronic devices, but with mechanical ones. Certainly, I think all of us have used an abacus at a prior point. And I thought of, sharing this because I came across a paper computer called the Cardiac computer, the cardboard illustrative aid to computation that Bell Labs developed in the late 1960s. It has a number of different paper sliders. It has 10 different instructions, a bank of 100 memories that each contain 3-digit decimal numbers. Anyway, it's a paper mechanical computer. And when I was looking around the room, around my room, I saw this tiny little music box that I think we had in the family. Must have been some holiday gift that we had gotten. And I thought, isn't this a very nice illustrative analogy to mechanical computing? With that, I hope you enjoyed the video, and please stay tuned for more mechanical computing in the future. I am planning to show you a cardiac computer, as I mentioned, and also just during a walk today, I thought about using punch cards again, and what, to my knowledge, are some very unorthodox ways of making punch cards that may or may not work. I won't tell you what it is. I'll whet your appetite and let you taste that. That's not the right word I'm going for. Sorry, this has just been so scatterbrained. I'll let that suspicion build up in your minds up until we see this exciting new potential way of creating punch cards. Besides that, I also should mention that I'm planning to make linear and circular slide rules in the future, which also would go under the category of mechanical computation. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave your thoughts or ideas. I'm happy to take suggestions in the comments section down below. And please like and subscribe as always. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.